Hello, it's Robin from Robert Ellis here, and today we're at number 37 Oakland Avenue, a 2-bedroom detached bungalow in the heart of Long Eaton. We're starting outside in the low maintenance garden in the glorious sunshine with superb views over the local canal, and we do also have a brick built garage that is split with a utility room to the rear and storage to the front. Let's go and have a little look around. As we enter the conservatory, we've got UPVC double glazed units with superb views all year round over the canal and the garden, and double radiators for the use of this room in the winter months. Coming through to the lounge, we have UPVC sliding doors to the conservatory and a feature fireplace to the centre of the room. Coming through to the centre of the property, we're greeted in the kitchen where there are integrated cooking appliances, space for a washing machine or a dishwasher, space for a fridge freezer, and a pantry just behind me, perfect for storage as well. This is the entrance hallway to the front of the property where there is an entrance porch, a toilet, and the master bedroom with ensuite. For more information on this property or to book a viewing, please give us a call at the Long Eaton branch on 0115 946 1818, pop us an email or visit the Robert Ellis website.